might have to be a bit careful.
Yeah. Oh, look at that big tree come down.
Hell yeah.
Bit of water. Nothing to worry about.
Yep. Good thing it's not big corner.
Yeah.
Sorry, I missed what you said then.
I said that left hand are perfect.
Yep.
Road. It's all good up here.
Cool.
Yeah.
There'll be our usual gravel spot.
Just watch
You're
out.
just going
Just
over.
watch out for a car on the left.
Yeah, got him.
I stopped him.
Yeah. Lots of water.
Yeah.
I like this section too.
Little pothole there on the left.
Yeah, missed it.
Just run down the middle. It's not too bad.
Yeah. Yeah, you just got to be careful though doing that, just in case there's oncoming.
Someone coming, I know. Isn't it nice bit that?
Now what's this van doing?
Going both sides. Branch on the right.
It's half a tree.
Yeah. That's not a tree.
Ooh, had a bit of a front end lose on the exit of that.
What did you say then?
Oh, I had a front end lose on that. You know where they're...
Just a little slide on the right-hander.
Yeah.
Yeah, same.
Yeah.
It didn't look like anything, and it just had a wiggle.
Yeah.
It wasn't a lose.
No.
Did you pick it up? Did you have to pick it up?
No. I just went with it.
No, that's right. It was just a little slide.
Yeah. So
that's not a lose.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just a little slide. I nearly said something about it, and I went, oh, I don't think it was worth worrying about.
No. But it's interesting. We both copped it.
It was exactly so. When you're out of range, so it was just a bit garbled, and I thought, I bet that's what you're telling me.
Yeah. Because I braked probably a little bit more on the entry because of the that gravel on the left on the, you know.
Yep.
And then when I tipped, so hang on, what was it? A
All
right-hander or a left-hander?
What's that?
What was it?
Was it right?
Yeah.
Was it right-hander?
So when I tipped in, and sort of about 3/4 of the way through the corner, just the front end just stepped down a little bit.
Slid, yeah.
Yeah.
It slid, but it didn't tip in more. It just slid across.
Yeah, just skated a bit.
Yeah, that's what mine did.
Yeah.
That's good.
What? That we both had the same experience?
No, one, that you felt it.
Yep.
And two, you didn't worry about it or... Because that's not a lose, that's just a slide.
No. Yeah.
You got it. The biggest problem people have is they don't want to slide the front end.
Yeah.
They're quite happy to slide the rear.
Yeah.
But you got to be able to... And I'm not talking about crashing, I'm just talking about... Oh yeah, the front slid, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Oh, okay, that happened.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we're still pointing in the right direction. We're still upright.
Because you're not on the brakes doing it.
No.
Because you're already off the brakes.
That's right.
And then you didn't stand it up and run into a tree.
No.
Because it didn't need to.
No.
It was just like, oh, okay.
Yeah, okay. That's all I did with it. Was
go,
okay.
Oh, that was a little... What was that?
What was that?
What was that?
And I never saw it though.
Yes, same.
Couldn't read the road that it was going to be there.
I didn't see it.
Yeah. And yeah, there's a gap between you and I, but I was riding that at a similar pace to you.
Yeah.
I like to have plenty of sight. Do you know what I mean? I don't want to be up. I don't want to be up your ass because
well, then you can't see the corners. That's right.
That's right.
Yeah. I agree. Yeah, that's fine.
Yeah. But I didn't lose sight of you. Like normally, I would lose sight of you on that. You'd be like hustle gone, and I'd be going. Okay.
Oh, I wasn't going hard.
No.
I was going quick. I was going quick enough.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was not. It was actually. I was just leaving it in fourth gear.
Yep.
And just rolling in and out of the corners, braking for some of them. So
yeah, I think
it's really nice at that speed.
I think I did most of it in third, but this thing likes to rev.
Oh yeah, well that's different.
Yeah.
I could do this in fucking 60.
Yeah, I know.
It wouldn't be any different.
That's right. Yeah, I think there was some in fourth, but mostly in the tight technical stuff, I was in third.
Third, yeah, well that'd be right. Yeah. This has just got so much torque. You can just roll it on.
Oh yeah, look, I could have been up a gear, but I like to have bite. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Yep. Oh, and it works higher in the revs, that motor.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's what it is. So.
And I reckon it would have sounded good.
Well, that's what I mean. Like, you know, do you need another bloody 40 horsepower or whatever?
No.
Like, it's crazy.
That's right.
You can't really go... I mean, we both could have gone a bit faster, but you can't go a lot faster along there.
No.
All these bikes they're bringing out, you can only use it at the track.
That's right.
And then you've got to be able to bloody use it.
And also, like, there were some hazards on that.
Oh, that's right. So we weren't going silly because there was unknowns.
Yes, that's right. Yeah, you can't be riding at 10 tenths.
Oh, shit, no.
Oh. I recorded that as well.
What I was saying is, if you've got your bikes, what I was meaning is, if you've got your bike set up well,
yep,
needs it.
I'll just...
And you're riding it. You're riding correctly so that you've not got that front loaded up through there.
Yeah.
And all it does is slide. If you're going in a lot faster and you're heavy on the brakes and all your weight's on the front end and you go through that,
Oh, you could
crash.
Yeah, that's
right.
right.
You could have you'd probably catch it, but you could have a worse slide.
Yeah. Oh, you could catch it and then run off too.
Well, that's right.
Yeah.
But if it just has that little slide and you've already got your throttle checked, you've got maintenance throttle, or you're starting to pick it up and accelerate, it's not. It's just going to go, oh, yeah, righto.
Yeah.
It's not a big drama.
Yeah. Well, I'll put it up on the channel.
Oh, God, these guys are fucking slack.
Who?
Fucking closed.
Oh.
Really?
Are we doing Castlemaine then?
Castlemaine.
Yeah, or Malden?
Um,
We've got all day.
yeah, well, that's right.
You want to go to the Dutch whatever?
Dust Coffee House?
Yeah, Dust
Coffee House.
Dust Coffee.
Dust Coffee House. Yeah, well, to when we'll see.
Yeah.
May not be open. Otherwise, it's Malton.
Yeah, that's all right. That took a bit of effort with my arm,
Okay.
but like I did feel it, but it wasn't too painful that I couldn't ride. I didn't slow down. You know what I mean? I didn't say right, no, I can't.
But you
do
could
this.
you could feel it.
Yeah, that gave it a fair workout, and I thought, oh, at the end of this, I'm going to be a bit sore, but I'm not.
Yep.
So that's all right.
Yep.
It's all bike fitness anyway.
Oh, that's right. So you'll need to go for a ride on the weekend. One day.
Yeah.
And the weekend we go to Superbikes, do a ride then, and
Well, I could always ride down the day and easy.
yeah. That's a pain in the arse though.
I know.
It's a big day and it's not enjoyable riding.
No.
Be better off doing this stuff, I reckon.
Yeah. Well, I'm going to beat him. Yep. I should have downshifted. I was in third. Because I was only one arm. Like cruising along into it, and then I go, I'm going to beat him. Put my hand down, and I should have dropped a gear. Anyway, I'll turn this camera off.